Good day guys, welcome to another video. Last video we discussed about how to set up an Arduino and how to run a code with it. For this video we will create a new task. We will build an Arduino circuit with 2 Taxol switches and 2 7-segment displays driven by a 7447 BCD decoder. The display starts at 00, increments with one button and decrements with the other, looping between 00 and 99. Running at 2 Hz, the system ensures smooth operation while handling button presses efficiently. These are the materials we're going to use. Breadboard, 2 7-segment displays, 2 7447, 2 tax switches, 2 10K resistors. We are going to use the 7447 decoder to minimize pin usage in the Arduino. First, we're going to lay out our 2 7-segment displays and 2 7447 ICs and connect them together using connecting wires. After connect them together, this is what they're going to look like. Now, let's get our Arduino and connect the 7447 IC to the Arduino. After connecting the 7447 to the breadboard, this is what it's going to look like in the end. Let's take our cord and plug the Arduino to our computer. After plugging in, let's open our Arduino IDE. After opening the Arduino IDE, this is what you see. Let's just erase this and then start coding. So we're almost done. After coding, we're going to compile the code and start uploading it to the Arduino board. After we upload the code, this is what we should see. 2 00s on our 7-segment displays. Let's press the tax switches located at the side. One tax switch will increase the value and the other one will reduce it. So this is tax switch 1 that will increase the value. This is tax switch 2 which will decrease the value. So if you hold the tax switches, it will count with a frequency of 2 Hz. When tax switch 1 is being pressed, the value goes up continuously, while the tax switch 2 continuously decreases the value if being pressed. So that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone.